I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Tesla Cybertruck in BeamNG Drive. We'll cover everything from finding reliable mod sources to correctly installing the files. By the end, you'll be ready to cruise in this unique electric truck, experiencing its distinctive design and robust performance within the game's realistic physics engine. Get ready to enhance your BeamNG Drive experience with this exciting addition. First, you'll need to find a reliable Cybertruck mod. Many community websites host BeamNG Drive mods, so a quick search for BeamNG Drive Cybertruck mod should yield several options. Always choose well-regarded sources to ensure quality and safety. Once you find a mod you like, download the file. It should typically be a single compressed zip file, which you should not extract. Now let's install the mod. Open your BeamNG Drive launcher and select Manage User folder, then open an Explorer to find your user directory. Inside, you'll see a folder named Mods. If it's not there, simply create a new folder and name it Mods. Then, take the unextracted zip file you downloaded and drag it directly into this Mods folder. That's all for the file placement. With the mod installed, launch BeamNG Drive. Once in the game, open the Vehicle Selector menu. You should now see the Tesla Cybertruck listed among your available vehicles. Select it, spawn it into your chosen map, and you're ready to drive. Explore its unique handling and crash physics. Enjoy countless hours of fun with your new, futuristic electric truck in BeamNG Drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.